In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling text in CapCut PC. If you need to create a smooth vertical credit crawl or maybe a long list of notes that moves cleanly from the bottom of the screen to the top, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on PC. The good news is that you only need a simple text layer and a couple of keyframes to make the effect work. To begin, let's set up the starting position for your text. Down on your timeline, find your text asset block and click on it once so it's selected. Then move your cursor up to the preview window in the center of the screen. Click and hold the text box and drag it straight downward until the entire text box sits completely off-screen below the bottom edge of your canvas. The goal here is to make sure the text starts outside the visible frame, so when the animation begins, it scrolls naturally into view instead of already appearing on screen. Once that starting position is set, it's time to mark the beginning of the motion. Drag your timeline playhead to the very first frame of the text clip. After that, look over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section, open the Basic Settings and find the Position controls. On the right side of that row, click the keyframe diamond icon once. That creates your first keyframe and locks in the text starting position below the screen. You should see a small blue diamond appear, confirming that the position has been saved. Next, we'll create the ending point for the scroll. Move your playhead all the way to the very last frame of the same text block on your timeline. Then go back to the preview window, click your text box and drag it upward until it passes completely off-screen above the top edge of the canvas. While you do this, hold down the Shift key so the movement stays perfectly vertical and doesn't drift side to side. As soon as you reposition the text, CapCut will automatically generate a second keyframe in the position settings. Now when you play the clip back, your text will move smoothly from the bottom of the screen to the top, creating that classic scrolling text effect. If you want the crawl to move slower, simply make the text clip longer on the timeline. If you want it to move faster, shorten the clip duration. That's all it takes to build a clean vertical scrolling text animation in CapCut PC.